Hi, we're Ava. We provide open, cloud-native video security that is simple to use and packed with smart analytics. In this short video, we'll show you how to set up the Ava Cloud Connector so you can scale your smart camera deployment and successfully transition to cost-effective cloud management. The Cloud Connector is a hub for local integrations to link your existing third-party cameras and other sensors to the Ava Aware Cloud. This allows you to apply all the Ava features and functionality to your existing third-party cameras and lets your deployment act as one powerful unified tool. Let's get started. Beginning on the Aware platform, click on the Systems tool. From there, you can view all your existing cloud connectors with the ability to add a new cloud connector. Type in the serial number of the cloud connector you want to add. Alternatively, you can use the webcam on your browser to scan the QR code that comes with the shipping box for your new cloud connector. Once you've entered the serial number, name your new connector and click Next. You can add the new cloud connector to an existing group or create a new group. We're going to create a new group name, choose the time zone associated with that group, and click Add. This will connect to that cloud connector and allow you to start adding cameras. The firmware for the cloud connector will also update automatically. From that point, you can go into Devices and add cameras based on network discovery. Within the network of your recently added cloud connector, this will show based on the groups you've already configured. Any Ava or compatible third-party cameras will already be discovered. And that's it. That's how simple it is to add a new cloud connector to the Ava platform. By linking Ava cloud-native cameras to existing third-party cameras, you can transition to the cloud at your own pace. This increased flexibility helps lower upfront costs and lets you decide how to upgrade your video surveillance. With the Ava Cloud Connector, your existing cameras can be upgraded to smart AI-driven cameras, working in tandem with any Ava cloud-native cameras you add to your system. You'll have a single interface for all cameras and cloud-based security protections to keep your video safe. All analytics, including connectors, are available across all Ava cameras and can be extended to third-party cameras, providing you with unparalleled investment protection and flexibility. We're excited to see how you use it.